Oh, the thrill of the hunt. Penny items at Dollar General are like the hidden Easter eggs of the retail world. I'm talking about the stuff that's so discounted, it's practically free. And let's be honest, who doesn't love practically free stuff? There are tons of penny items out there at Dollar General. It takes a lot of patience in searching. If you are consistent enough, you will find items. So you decided you're up for the challenge. Good for you. Buckle up, because you're about to embark on the equivalent of a treasure hunt for grown-ups who still appreciate the joy of scoring a deal. What are penny items? First off, let's get this straight. Penny items are products that have been heavily discounted, often because they're seasonal, discontinued, or just not moving off the shelves fast enough. When you find them, they're literally a penny. Yep, you read that right. 1 cent. How to find them? Now, Dollar General doesn't make it easy. No, sir. They're not going to hang a big sign saying, "Hey, look, free stuff here." Plus, penny items supposed to be pulled off the shelf. For more information on penny shopping, click link in the description box. You have to dig for it. You'll often find these gems tucked away on regular shelves, mingling with the full-priced items like they're in disguise. Or in the clearance section, it's like, "Where's Waldo?" but with toiletries and canned goods. The hunt begins. Know the tags. Look at the shelf tags closely. Some stores have a specific color for tags that denote penny items. The DG app, get the Dollar General app and scan. If you're fortunate, it'll pop up as $0 and 1 cent, 0.00, or see store for price. Follow social media groups. There are entire communities out there that share insider info on where to find these hidden treasures. Join them, learn from them. Be one with the penny item hunters. Never walk in the store asking, "Where are the penny items?" You will look like an idiot. Read and learn everything you can before you go on the penny hunt. Do not ask the staff. Okay, don't go around announcing that you're on a penny item treasure hunt, because you might ruffle some feathers. If the penny items are still on the floor, it's fair game according to their policy. So while you're on this grown-up version of a treasure hunt, it's best to fly under the radar. Instead of seeking staff help, put on your stealth mode. In other words, act casual, like you're just another customer doing your regular shopping, because asking staff about penny items is a no-go. Absolutely, no need to pretend you are James Bond when you've got the DG app on your side. Dollar General put that app out there for a reason, right? It's your go-to tool for checking prices, so feel free to use it openly. No cloak and dagger stuff required. Just scan the items like you're the captain of Team Practical. Because, let's be real, that's exactly what the app is designed for, making smart shopping choices. The items below are what I got for a penny. All the items in this video were a penny. When Dollar General sold clothing, they would reduce in price until a penny. While they do not sell hanging clothes, they do have socks, purses, and some shirts and pants. A lot of these will eventually penny. Fans in this video were a surprise penny item. These were 2017 to 2018 fans. I didn't know the rugs were a penny until I scanned it. Sometimes just scanning at random pays off. The glass plates were also a surprise penny. This means the store does not know to pull. The tea kettles shown were also a surprise penny. I periodically check rugs, and to my surprise, these were a penny. It did not have a dot attached to it. Seasonal items will eventually reduce in price until it is a penny. The cups were another surprise penny in the placemats. I happened to find the basket and scanned at random. The app said, "See store for price," and it was a penny. The wallets below were an old year of 20. The cashier had just put them on display. Penny bag said is yellow dot. Always check to see if items is last year. If it is more than likely, it's a penny. The chocolate candy was a surprise penny. This items was at the front of the store near checkout line. The candles are from Christmas of 2023. Popcorn snacks. These were expired, so it went to the chickens. I found 4 trucks and gave 2 away. This is last year's green dot. Penny cheese. This was a surprise penny. Here are more items I got while penny shopping. Frozen toys. Wow, those are some awesome penny deals. I must say I'm slightly envious. The tea kettles would have been a pleasant purchase for me. Thank you for sharing. Throw the penny into the wishing well that I also find some great deals. I have not been so lucky, but hope to be. You will. Just hang in there. Check out some of my tips on penny shopping. I had no idea penny items existed. I will be on the lookout for them during my next trip to DG. Thanks for the great tips. Be sure to check out my website for tips on penny shopping in the description box.